Welcome to my channel. So this is a chicken congee. This is mostly eating by the Chinese people because they are not eating too much carbohydrates. And of course, for our recipe for today, the congee, chicken congee, I prepare a chicken for 286 grams, and of course I have one stock of spring onion and a slice of ginger. I have seasoning also, any seasoning you want to put, 1 teaspoon only. And then I have a half rice. This one I use the short grain. It depends on you what you want to use. Okay, then this one is my rice cooker. The name of my rice cooker is the brand is Philips. So this one is have a menu which one you want to use. So today we will use the congee one. So let's get started. And after we wash our rice for almost 4 times, so the water of the rice is clear. So now we will start cooking our congee. So I will put the ginger and also the chicken, the one we cut. Yeah. Okay. Then I will add some spring onions to blending the taste. But the rest of our spring onion, we will add that for garnishing only for later. Then now we will add the seasoning. Yeah. It depends on you whether you want to put or not, because here this seasoning is just like nothing also, just giving a bit taste, because we're not putting any salt. So now I have 8 ounces of water. Okay. But we need to stir for a bit before we on the rice cooker. Then we will close.